Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Inspector Chrome extension Easy Guide. Open Chrome, install and pin the extension, then sign in to Salesforce. Click the inspector icon on a record page to reveal metadata, field API names, and quick actions. Use the data export feature to download table data or run SOCL in the query panel to refine results. Practice on a sandbox account for safe exploration. Open a record page and click the inspector icon to display the record view and field inspector panels. Inspect field API names, validation rules, and picklist values with one click. Use the export button to download visible fields as CSV for offline analysis. Switch to the Query tab to write SOCL, apply filters, and export results. These steps will speed up admin tasks and reduce repetitive clicks. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control and smart mapping make it as effortless as using Salesforce Inspector. It saves you time so you can focus on admin tasks instead of floors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a cleaner that works as hard as you do. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter missing fields or stale metadata, refresh the record page and retry the inspector. Always test queries and exports in a sandbox to avoid affecting production data. Grant the extension required permissions in Chrome settings if features seem disabled. For complex SOCL, build filters incrementally to confirm results before exporting. These practical habits will keep your workflow smooth and protect your production environment from accidental updates.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.